Hello everyone. Today we have with us Mr. Krishna Singh Rajput, who secured All India first rank in GATE 2020 with instrumentation engineering. He is a classroom student of ACE Engineering Academy, Hyderabad. Now, let us understand from him what is the preparation strategy or what is his success secret. Hi, Mr. Krishna Singh.
Hello, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
Hello, everyone. I'm Krishna Singh Rajput. I have done my BTech from National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, and I am 2019 batch pass out. And I joined ACE Engineering Academy in the month of July after passing out from my college. So, right from the first day when I entered into the ACE Engineering Academy, uh, uh, it was my first day when I entered into the classroom, and it was a differential equation. So as we all know, if it is come to the differential equation and being an engineering student, it is quite difficult to understand the concepts and all. But the very first day when I encountered the faculty in front of me in the ACE Academy classroom, he said, cool, cool, buddy, cool. There is nothing. It is just differential equation. It's not going to take your life. So that particular day, when the first day that faculty told me, so right after the faculty delivered that particular statement, so I was quite impressive with that particular statement, because the first day when you are when you are going to start something and you are going to get something very positive energy in front of from the faculty which you are facing, so you get some kind of positive confidence, because the first impression is the last impression. So the first impression I got from ACE Academy helped me helped me believe that the future time which I am going to spend with ACE Academy is going to be very cool.
Okay. So, who are the faculty members? For example, circuit theory, control system, analog.
Yeah, for circuit theory, the Hari Babu sir,
Uh,
the way of delivering the content was quite impressive, because
mm,
the subject, everyone knows the subject, but
mm,
what you know, so you have to deliver to the students. There
mm,
are so many students sitting in front of you, so
mm,
the way of making the content simplify, so that each and every kind of
mm,
student is going to understand that. So
mm,
when we are finishing the classroom and coming out of the classroom, I was feeling that not only me, not only I understanding the concept, also the students, those whose basics are not very good, they
mm,
are understanding the concept very easily. So coming to the signals and system, it was a quite difficult subject for me also, because signals and system is not kind of practical, because if you take other subjects, for example communication and electrical, you are going to see in day to day life, but signals and system you are not going to encounter on a regularly basis, because the signals and system is kind of hidden thing, it's inside the machineries.
mm,
So the teacher has the ability to take those things out of the machinery and present in front of the students. So
mm,
that's how I was able to understand how signals are going in, how it is getting differentiate or integrated, how it is going, it is implementing inside the machine. So
mm,
that is the quality of the ACE faculties, that how to represent the things in front of students, so that they are able to connect the practical things with the real world things. So that's how they connect the theory and the practical.
Okay. So, every day I think I used to have classes for 5 to 6
Yeah, if you
hours.
are coming to the ACE Academy, means the first day you should have in your mind, okay, let's stop it and start it from the beginning,
Mm,
because now you are with ACE,
mm,
and they are not going to leave you for even for a single minute.
mm,
If you are eating more than a limit, they will say, no, 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 stop here, don't eat more than that,
mm,
otherwise you will sleep. So basically, what I am trying to say is, ACE Academy not only focus only on the study. They are going to tell you the guidelines, how your schedule should be, how you should save your time, what you should do, what you should not do. For example, I would like to take the example of Control Baba. He says you should study for 25 hours out of 24 hours. So even though it's not possible, but the expectation the teacher is putting in front of the student is going to give you the good energy, that okay, my teacher is expecting a lot more than which is not even possible. So you would try to push yourself, that at least at some up to some extent I'll give my best, so that whatever you are going to feel from inside, that even something which I cannot do, but if someone is trying to push you to do that,
Support you.
that particular ability is going to come out,
Yes,
and
yes.
that ability is going to give some different impact in your life.
Okay. After regular classes are over, how many hours you used to make some self preparation?
Yeah, after all the classes got over, my actual strategy was, while coming out of the classroom, I used to sleep for 1 to 2 hours. So
Okay.
after waking up, I used to see all the notes, and I would take one A4 piece of A4 paper, and I will write all the important concepts.
Mm.
So basically, this is also not my idea. This is Narsimham sir idea,
Okay.
because he said, if you are learning something today, you should have that particular picture in your mind that day itself,
Okay.
because tomorrow you are going to see some new movie, and if you are analyzing that particular concept and you don't know what happened in past, so you are not, you will not be able to link uh, establish the link between those lectures. So from that particular moment, I started making notes on that particular day. When all the classes over, I had around 500 to 600 pages of short notes. That was not even short, but
Okay.
it was quite of some, it was building some good confidence, because if I see all the subjects notebook, each subject will have 4 to 5 notebooks. So if 10 subjects are there, you will have 40 to 50 notebooks. But compared to that, if you see 500 to 600
It's
pages,
nothing.
that is not even short, but you will have the confidence, okay, I have something in my hand. So right from that moment, I started reading all those 500 to 600 pages, and then I made them ultra short. Ultra short in the sense, at that particular time, I was feeling that this I should not miss, that I should not miss. So I wrote a lot more than required. So right from that from that moment, I started extracting the few more. I started minimizing the content. So it was around 2 to 3 months when gate was about to come. So at that particular time, I had 100 to 200 pages in my hand. But still, that is not even short, because if you are going to write the gate exam, you should have only formula, and concept should be behind that particular formula. It should be kind of image processing. You have the formula in front of your mind, and the theory should be in your head. So that's the strategy you should follow. So when it was about 1 week, the exam was coming. So I had only 6 to 7 pages, including all the 10 subjects. So what I did, I made a partition in the A4 sheet, 3 partitions, and I wrote all the formulas. So that's how I ended up being minimizing the content. Because if you are going to fight a war, you should have the knowledge of what are all the weapons you have, and how does it work and all. If you know, have the knowledge of all the weapons, but you don't know how perfectly it goes, so that may affect your final result.
When you started appearing for these tests, online tests?
Yeah, when I had those 500 to 600 bunches of pages, and that particular moment is itself, I started solving the test series. From after solving 2-3 tests only, I got to realize that no, this is more than required, because after seeing the ACE test series and previous year question papers, I got to know that some of the things are useless. They are not exactly useless, but they are not of that much important, because if you are preparing for exam, you should first be confident in what is very important.
What is very important?
First you are done with all the important concept, then you can go for extra things. So for
Okay.
example, if I am writing the exam for 100 marks, so I should be confident at least for 80 marks, then only I can think of 90, 95
So you want to
marks.
say that what is relevant, what is not relevant?
Whatever was relevant, I focused on more that.
More than
Once I am confident in that,
Yes.
then I started
going for extra.
going for extra.
extra. Yes.
Yeah.
So exactly meeting the need,
Yeah.
not unnecessarily wasting the
Yeah,
valuable
and there
time.
was one more good feature which I liked about the online test series ACE Academy. The best thing was, while you are solving the problem, some of the concepts, due to some reason, you are missing them. Even though I know them, but I was doing wrong. So I had to mark those questions for the review. So
Okay.
when the gate exam was very nearer, ACE Academy, I told you in the beginning itself, if you are in the ACE Academy, they will make you think where you are wrong. So at that right from 1 month before the exam, the notification started coming on my screen. You have left these many questions. You did these many questions wrong. Today itself, you review them. So even if I am missing something by myself, ACE Academy is not going to. They are not going to allow me to miss all of them. So I started reviewing all of these questions, and that's how I build it up.
How
ended
you
up building-
focused on previous questions, previous gate questions, etc.
only in the last 15 days,
Hmm.
I scheduled all my mock tests. In the one day, I used to write 2 mock tests.
2 mark.
In the morning, 9 to 12, I used to write Ace Academy Master.
Hmm.
And in the evening, around afternoon, 2 to 5, I used to write previous year gate questions.
Okay.
So all previous 15 years gate question, I used to write in 2 to 5. Why I selected 9 to 12 for Ace Academy? Because there was timer. It was making you sit for 9 to 12 because actual gate timing is that.
Yeah.
In the afternoon time, even if I am taking more than 3 to 4 hours, that is not going to disturb because I am writing previous year question and there is no timer at all.
Hmm.
And also after eating, you may get some sleep. So that's why I was very particular about 9 to 12. And Ace Academy software was more relevant, not more relevant, it was exact to
Exact
what
original exam.
original exam. So that's why I focused in that particular time for Ace test series. And in the afternoon time, I wrote for 15 days, 15 previous year questions.
So, what is your suggestion to future aspirants?
My suggestion for future aspirants, first of all, uh, uh, there are there are different kind of mindsets in this particular scenario because everyone is not same. So if you feel that someone is doing really well and you are not doing that much well, don't feel that that guy is going to get good rank and I am going to lose, because I saw so many students shouting answer in front of teachers, but somewhere inside they are not doing even well also. So you maybe it's not true, but you keep in your mind that this particular guy knows the answer before itself, that's why he's shouting, but I am trying, I am pushing myself to do that, that's why I am taking time. So that's how you should feel confidence on yourself. Just by seeing others, you don't demotivate yourself.
So, be a dark horse.
Yeah,
Be a
obviously.
dark horse. Okay, particularly there are certain final year students, because you have started your preparation after your completion of BTech. Suppose there is a student who is in final year.
Yes.
What are your suggestions so that they can balance their preparation along with academics, placement sometimes,
Yeah.
and at the same time gate preparation?
Yeah, so if you are in final year, like when I was in final year, in college time, there are not much burden on the students because passing 6, 7 exam is not that difficult. Sometimes if your professor is bad, then it might be difficult. Accordingly, you have to manage because sometimes it may happen that the subject is very easy, but that is taking more time than required, the usual college subjects. So you may get less time for preparing and all. So you have to balance first of all that this much 6 to 8 hours approximately you should at least manage for gate study, because if you are an engineering student, you will have the ability that I can study in whole night also. So in the daytime you should try to finish all the materialistic things which you have to do in the college, and right after your dinner you can plan for 3 to 4 hours. You can take Ace Academy online courses provided by them. You can spend your 3 to 4 hours in that particular time, and while after sleeping you are waking up next day in the morning, you are going for class. I know classes and all, they are not going to you don't require that much attention in the class. So at that particular time itself you can revise all those things. Because if you are seeing one video lecture, they are going anyway they are going to give you very confined material that which is very relevant. So you won't have very much things around you. You have very less content that is very relevant. So that you make short note while watching the videos, and while going in the classroom itself you can prepare for that.
Okay, how many times you have revised the entire syllabus?
I don't even have the count,
Okay.
but
At least once completely revised?
yeah, once during the in the beginning when I was writing notes, at that time itself I was very confident while writing those 500 to 600 bunch of pages.
That itself is the first division.
That itself is the first division. After that, I didn't had a look of notes, because if I am going to have a look of those notes, it is going to take around 1 to 2 months. Because if you are reading short note, you are not going to spend much mind on that, because whatever you have written, you believe on yourself that it is correct. But if you are opening the notebook, there will be so much things, because teacher he don't want to miss even a single point. So he is going to deliver a lot, but you have to understand what I should remember, because if you see in the teacher aspect, he don't know what may be asked and all. So he is trying his best, but you also have to try your best that what is more important that you have to focus. So if you are
So
opening
both
the
hands have to move.
yeah, if
It's
you are
not
opening
just the teacher alone.
yeah,
The student also has to work hard and
because if you
focus.
are opening the books again, you are it will be kind of jumble things. You are going to read all the things again. You will feel demotivated that, oh, I am missing this point, this is not in the short notes, I didn't
Okay.
write that, I didn't. So that's how
Okay. What is your father?
my father is a farmer,
You are from which state?
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Very good. So there are several toppers even this year also from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Krishna Singh, to conclude, what is your opinion about just AC engineering classes, how they were conducted in Dilshu Nagar, etc.?
The classes conducted was very well mannered, and the best thing is sometimes students also they feel tired from the same schedule. So the management is that much flexible that if you request them, sir, please for some days you shift our class to the afternoon session, we are not able to wake up in the 6:30 times.
So flexibility they have given.
So they are just for you.
Okay.
So if you say them, oh sir, I am comfortable in studying at this particular time, they will give you that time.
Okay. Okay.
So that's how they were conducting the classrooms in Dilshuk Nagar.
Okay, great, Mr. Krishna Singh. So, being the son of a farmer from Madhya Pradesh, so I think you have done this in the very first attempt,
Yes,
as you said. It is in the very first attempt. It's really a great achievement for you.
Thank
So,
you.
what is your future plan?
My future plan is I'm looking for MTech admissions in control specialization, especially in automation, because that particular thing involves all the
Okay.
kind of electronics background as well. So being an instrumentation engineering, I'm missing some communication part as well. So I'm planning to focus on that. And mugging up all the things, I would like to build my career in automation engineering.
Okay, excellent, Krishna Singh. So, I also pray the God that you will become a very great engineer or a scientist with instrumentation background, and you will become an asset to the Mother India. Huh?
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Thank
All
you
the
very
best.
much, sir.
God bless you.